As we get older, our bodies start making less collagen, which leads to thinner skin and wrinkles. It can also result in joint pain, weakened hair and nails, digestive issues, reduced muscle mass, bone density loss, increased bruising, and a dull complexion. Additionally, collagen insufficiency accelerates the overall aging process, affecting various tissues and organs in the body. The good news is that the body has a remarkable ability to rejuvenate collagen levels naturally. Choosing wholesome, nourishing foods plays a crucial role in boosting collagen production. Number 1. Spirulina. Have you ever heard of spirulina? Well, it's a superfood like a tiny superhero in the world of healthy eating. This amazing collagen-rich food makes muscles strong, keeps our hearts in good shape, and helps with things like diabetes and allergies. People even like it for losing weight. Spirulina has beta-carotene, just like what makes carrots orange. This beta-carotene is fantastic because it keeps our skin tight and bouncy, making it look healthy. It also gives our skin a natural tan and glow. Spirulina fights off bad things that make our skin age faster. And guess what? Now, beauty products are using spirulina because it's like a natural moisturizer, fights off wrinkles and acne, and keeps our skin safe from the sun. It's like a health boost for our whole body, especially making our skin and hair look awesome. Number 2. Eggs. Eggs aren't just delicious, they're a powerhouse of goodness. Eggs are low in calories but packed with all the good stuff your body needs, especially proteins. And here's the cool part. The amino acids in eggs help your body make collagen. Perfect for vegetarians looking for a strong protein source, eggs aren't just healthy, they're super flexible, fitting into different diets, whether you're aiming to lose weight or build muscles. Now, talking about egg whites, they got something called proline, one of the amino acids your body needs to make collagen. Even though the yolks don't have collagen, they're rich in nutrients that your body uses to create collagen. You can enjoy eggs in so many ways: scrambled, hard-cooked, poached, you name it. They're like a protein powerhouse that not only gives you the good stuff, but also makes it easy to add more nutrients to your diet. Number 3. Fish. The next collagen-rich food we have is fish, which isn't just delicious, but also a secret weapon for your skin. Whether it's from rivers or the ocean, fish are like a collagen powerhouse, especially in their skin, bones, and scales. Top picks like tilapia, salmon, and sardines are not just tasty but also easy to find. When you make fish a part of your meals, you're also bringing in omega-3 fatty acids. These are like superheroes for your brain, making your memory sharper and better. If you are finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel for more amazing health videos. Now, here's another good thing about fish. While fish like tuna or salmon are great for upping your collagen game, the meaty parts have less collagen than some other fish bits. Turns out the parts with the most collagen, like the head, scales, or eyeballs, aren't the usual stars on our dinner plates. Number 4. Bone broth. Next up, we have bone broth, a simple soup made by boiling animal bones in water. People really like it, even though recent studies say it might not have as much collagen as we thought. Still, it's super popular, especially when shared by friends. Making bone broth at home is easy. Just let those bones and connective tissues simmer in water, and add some spices to make it tasty. The cool thing is that bone broth has good stuff like calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, collagen, and amino acids. It's like a mix of nutrients. However, not all bone broths are the same. It depends on the bones and stuff you use. So, if you want the best broth, try making your own. Get bones from a trusted local butcher, add your favorite spices, and you got a homemade broth that's not only yummy but also full of good-for-you stuff, making it a tasty and healthy part of your meals. Number 5. Berries. Another collagen-rich food is berries, those tasty treats like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. When you snack on these, it's not just about the yummy taste. You're giving your body a healthy boost. These natural goodies act like superheroes for your collagen. Berries bring lots of good stuff. Antioxidants and vitamin C antioxidants work like superheroes, defending your collagen by fighting those free radicals. Then there's vitamin C, the helper that makes collagen by turning amino acids into the good stuff. This combination does wonders for your skin, making it more elastic, firm, and overall healthier. Number 6. Chicken. Chicken isn't just delicious, but also a natural collagen booster. Many collagen supplements use chicken because its cartilage, especially from the bones, is loaded with proteins, and a good chunk of it is collagen, about 35%. Whether it's chicken feet or beef knuckles, both pack a collagen punch, making them perfect for soups and dishes. Another thing to try is chicken with its skin. Studies found that women in their 40s and 50s noticed fewer wrinkles and better skin after having collagen supplements from chicken cartilage. Now, why is chicken so good? Because it has got something called glycine, a special thing that helps make collagen, especially when you cook it with the bones and connective tissues. One cool way to get this goodness is through bone broth. Just simmer chicken bones slowly in water for half a day or a whole day, and you've got yourself a collagen-packed treat. Adding chicken to your meals isn't just about flavor. It's about reducing those fine lines and wrinkles and giving your skin a boost. Number 7. Cashews. Cashews play a crucial role in boosting collagen production in your body. Packed with copper, these nuts contribute to the development of collagen and elastin, providing strength and flexibility to your skin. Copper is essential for making elastin, and cashews bring this vital mineral to the table. Additionally, cashews are a good source of zinc, another important element that supports your body's ability to repair itself and create more collagen. So, enjoy cashews as a tasty snack, knowing that they are helping your body produce the essential proteins for healthy and resilient skin. Number 8. Leafy greens. Do you know how beneficial leafy greens can be for collagen? Leafy greens, such as kale, lettuce, and broccoli, aren't just nutritious. They might be the key to preserving your collagen. These vibrant veggies, rich in chlorophyll, the green pigment in plants, could be your secret weapon against collagen breakdown. Research suggests that chlorophyll, found abundantly in green plant foods, may boost the precursor to collagen, procollagen, in your skin. Whether you enjoyed bok choy, green alga, arugula, or other leafy greens, you're giving your body a natural collagen boost. Adding chlorophyll to your diet, be it through these greens or convenient liquid supplements, could provide robust antioxidant effects. This means potential protection for your skin against UV damage and fighting the free radicals produced by toxins, a simple and effective way to support your skin health. Number 9. Beef. Particularly sourced from the hide and bones, beef is nothing short of a collagen powerhouse. Referred to as bovine collagen, it predominantly consists of type I and type II collagen, playing a pivotal role in maintaining the health and integrity of our skin, bones, tendons, cartilage, and teeth. Imagine enjoying a succulent steak, especially cuts that incorporate connective tissue. It's akin to infusing your diet with a substantial dose of collagen. Notably, cuts rich in tendon meat, such as the beloved short ribs, offer collagen that exhibits enhanced absorption by our bodies when compared to other steak varieties. Number 10. Oyster. These sea delights are packed with important stuff like zinc, phosphorus, and potassium. They also bring a good dose of vitamin B12 to the table. One cool thing about oysters is they can help keep your cholesterol levels in check, which is great for your heart. Now, what makes oysters stand out in the skincare department? Well, they are like nature's way of giving your skin a boost. They're loaded with zinc, a key player in making collagen. Collagen is like your skin's best friend, making it strong and firm. So, when you munch on oysters, you're giving your body a nutrient refill, making your skin happy and healthy. And that's not all. Oysters also have amino acids like glycine and proline. These are like the building blocks for collagen proteins. So, even though oysters might not be on everyone's plate all the time, adding them to your meals can be a tasty way to support your skin and keep it looking and feeling good. Number 11. Garlic. Let's talk about garlic, the tasty part of your stir-fries and pasta. And guess what? It's not just about flavor. Garlic might also help your collagen. Why? Because it's got sulfur, a tiny thing that helps make and protect collagen. But keep in mind that you might need a good amount of garlic to get those collagen benefits. Not just a pinch, you might want to add more. If you're a garlic fan, using a bit extra could be a smart move. So, if you love garlic, go ahead and use a bit more. Don't just stick to the recipe, maybe double it. That's what they say online. Whether it's in your stir-fry or pasta, garlic might be doing more than just making your meals tasty. It could be giving your collagen a little extra boost too. Number 12. Citrus fruits. Another collagen-rich food is citrus fruits. We're talking about oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits. These fruits are not just tasty, they're loaded with vitamin C, a real hero nutrient. Vitamin C does something cool. It helps in making the stuff that eventually becomes collagen. It's like the glue that brings amino acids together during collagen production. To get more vitamin C and give your body a collagen boost, throw citrus fruits into homemade juices, smoothies, and salads, or whip up a refreshing fruit salad, perfect for breakfast or a light dessert. It's a simple and delicious way to support your body's natural collagen levels. We appreciate your support, and don't forget to check out this video. If you like this video and want more informative content, hit the like and subscribe button below. Feel free to drop a comment if you have any questions or insights to share.